Hello, everyone. In this video, we will talk about 5 crypto companies that have managed to survive all disasters. If you're ready, let's get started. As you know, it has been more than 15 years since the beginning of the crypto revolution. During this period, thousands of crypto companies went bankrupt or closed. Some companies, however, continued their operations steadily and remained in the game despite all disasters. Now let's take a look at these companies. 1. Coinbase. Coinbase, originating from the vibrant city of San Francisco, commenced its operations in June 2012, all thanks to the visionary founders Fred Irsum and Brian Armstrong. As time progressed, it rose through the ranks to establish itself as one of the foremost cryptocurrency exchanges on a global scale. Nevertheless, Coinbase encountered a significant legal challenge on June 6, 2023, as the SEC accused the company of acting as an unregistered broker, alleging violations of securities laws. Coinbase has, at this point, been in operation for an impressive 11 years. 2. Blockchain.com. Blockchain, formerly recognized as Blockchain Info, was established back in 2011 by a team led by Peter Smith and Nicholas Carey. This company offers a wide array of services, which encompass a block explorer catering to numerous cryptocurrencies, data analytics, and a digital wallet. Additionally, it operates a trading platform. Since the initiation of its wallet service, Blockchain.com has facilitated the creation of an impressive 87 million wallets, serving users in over 200 countries. The company has remained active in the industry for approximately 12 years. 3. Kraken. Kraken, with its headquarters located in San Francisco and established in 2011 by Jesse Powell, Thon Liu, and Michael Groniger, remains an active player in the market to this day. While Kraken has maintained a commendable track record in terms of security, it recently encountered regulatory challenges with the SEC. In response, Kraken agreed to phase out its staking service and to make a payment of $30 million encompassing disgorgement, prejudgment interest, and civil penalties associated with the case. Kraken has been in continuous operation for over 12 years. 4. Bitfinex. Bitfinex, a prominent cryptocurrency exchange, was founded in 2012 by the collaboration of French entrepreneur Raphael Nicole and Italian businessman Giancarlo Devasini. The platform currently holds the second-largest Bitcoin wallet, securely storing an impressive 190,010 Bitcoin in its cold storage. This exchange has maintained a significant presence in the digital currency exchange arena for over 11 years. Bitfinex faced a substantial security breach in 2016, resulting in the loss of approximately 120,000 Bitcoins. However, the exchange managed to recover from this setback and re-established its position as one of the top global cryptocurrency exchanges. 5. BitPay. BitPay, a cryptocurrency payment service provider with its headquarters in Atlanta, was established in May 2011 by Tony Galippi and Stephen Pear. The company specializes in providing payment processing services that enable merchants to accept cryptocurrency as a form of payment. BitPay also introduced a cryptocurrency debit card in collaboration with Visa, which was later rebranded in partnership with MasterCard. However, in mid-May 2023, BitPay made an announcement regarding the discontinuation of its MasterCard program. The company revealed its plans to introduce a new card offering in the future. Nevertheless, BitPay remains actively engaged in processing payments for merchants and has a solid 12-year history in the industry. Yes, these are 5 durable and stable companies. I hope the video is useful to you. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.